Hello everyone, today's topic is essay on social issues in English about 1800 words. Now let's see the topic. Introduction. Social issues are a problem that affects the many people within a country. We are facing many social issues. Our country gets adversely affected by social issues. These are caused by the humans, and it is the humans who face its worst consequences also. It can be part of our traditions and cultural social issues are harmful situation for our country. Social issues can cause a lot of problems, but with the spread of education, social awareness can be increased. Major social issues are poverty, child marriage, unemployment, democracy, corruption, gender inequality, starvation, terrorism, caste system, child labor, untouchability, overpopulation, illiteracy, dowry system, and drug addiction. Now we have to describe these. First is poverty. Poverty has become a big problem of the world. It is defined as the condition where the basic needs of a family are not fulfilled. The poverty rate in India is increasing due to the population growth, lack of money, food, clothes, shelter, education, medicines, etc. Due to lack of basic needs, poverty is getting worse day by day. Many people do not afford to get proper food, clothes and homes, and they sleep on the road or footpath. They forced to enter the wrong paths. Government has also taken many steps to reduce the poverty. Second is child marriage. Child marriage is a very serious problem. It denies her fundamental rights that every person is entitled to, include the right to education, the right to rest, right to protection. The impact of child marriage can be life-changing for children, especially girls. The household responsibilities fall. They are not mentally and physically prepared for it. Their freedom to learn and play is taken away. The legal age of marriage in India for girls are 18 and boys are 21. Though the government has taken strict actions and child marriages has been declared as a crime. Third point is unemployment. The unemployment problem is a very serious issue in many countries, including India. A large number of educated and uneducated people wanted to do a job but cannot find proper job due to several reasons. The migrates of people from rural to urban areas for the search of job also affects, as the demands for jobs are high and the number of posts are less. Slow economic growth, industrial growth, seasonal occupation is also the main reason for unemployment. Government is also taking many steps to reduce this problem. Fourth point is democracy. Democracy is known as the finest form of government. Democracy is government by the people, for the people and of the people. Democracy means power of the people. It is a political system in which the citizens of a country enjoy the right to vote and elect their representatives. The government is formed by these representatives of the people. Every Indian citizen above 18 years of age has the right to vote in India. India is the largest democratic country in the world. Democracy is very important for human development. Fifth point is corruption. Corruption has impacted the development of India. Corruption refers to a form of criminal activity or dishonesty. It refers to an evil act by an individual or a group. Corruption can be defined as dishonest conduct by the people in power or those who have a prominent position. It can place in many ways and in any public and private offices. It is very similar to blackmail. It can be seen during elections. People give money, gifts or personal favors to get a particular task done. Government should enforce tough laws to stop corruption. Sixth point is gender inequality or discrimination. Gender inequality and discrimination are referred to unfair rights between male and female based on different gender roles which leads to unequal treatment in life. Humanity needs man and woman to continue. We need to get rid of the old age traditions and mentality. Moreover, it results in discriminatory behavior towards people of a certain gender. Gender equality is a fundamental human rights and that right is violated by gender-based discrimination. We all need to raise our voice against this discrimination. Now, seventh point is starvation. Starvation is a fatal condition which results in malnutrition and even loss of life because many people are living below the poverty line in our country. Starvation in India is mostly seen in the rural areas. It is mainly caused due to poverty, ever increasing population, natural calamities, low food productions, lack of food, etc. Ultimately, the cause of deaths are starvation. Starvation is a condition in which there is a deficiency in the calorie energy intake. Government has also taken many steps to reduce the starvation. Eighth point is terrorism. Terrorism is very dangerous for all of us. It is an act which aims to create fear among the people by illegal means. It is a threat to humanity. It has a negative impact in our society. It spreads at the national and international levels. Terrorist uses machine guns, atomic bombs, hydrogen bombs, nuclear weapons, missiles, etc. They kill innocent persons. They explode bombs and fires bullets blindly. Terrorism must be checked at any cost. Terrorism is a curse for all the countries. We have to unite in order to face the terrorism. Ninth point is caste system. The caste system is a main social issue. The caste system divides people into different groups based on their caste. Our constitution in India believes in equality, which means no discrimination irrespective of their caste, color, sex, creed, tradition, culture, religion, lifestyle, rich, poor or language. It is also abolished untouchability. The Indian government also framed laws to withdraw the caste system, such as the Scheduled Castes or Scheduled Tribes Act 1989. We have to unite in order to face the caste problem. 10th point is child labor. Child labor is a worldwide problem. Child labor refers to any work which deprives children of childhood. It has been made a business by the big people. It is increasing day by day and childhood of children are getting worse. Child labor exploits the children mentally, physically and socially dangerous childhood. It is illegal in all the countries. In the face of poverty, children are forced labor. Indian law says employing child labor is a punishable act. World Against Child Labor Day is celebrated on 12th June every year. 11th point is untouchability. Untouchability is a social problem and social evil. Untouchability means segregation of a group of people from the mainstream. It divides a person on the basis of caste and color. Some persons who have not equal rights to live. The members of a boycotted group are known as untouchables or Dalits. It results in loss of dignity of a particular community and hatred among people. Untouchables are not allowed to pond and temples. They are not allowed to sit and touch anyone. So untouchability is a crime against humanity. 12th point is overpopulation. Our country, India, is currently facing many problems. Overpopulation is one of them. Because of overpopulation, people have to struggle for food, shelter, and pure water. The increased population also requires more natural resources for day-to-day living, resulting in a bad impact on the environment. There are many reasons behind this, such as illiteracy, do not understand family planning, child marriage, etc. Population growth is rising in the number of people in the country. Government has taken several steps to educate people and control it. 13th point is illiteracy. Illiteracy means inability of a person to read and write. It is a main cause of poverty in society. An educated person can play his role well in society. It can be defined as lack of any or sufficient education. Illiteracy causes an increase in poverty levels. Another effect of illiteracy is increased crime rates in the society. So, universal education is becoming a necessity. The provision of free education in schools by the government can play a major role in reducing the level of illiteracy in a country. 14th point is dowry system. Dowry system is also a social issue which is a crime. Dowry system is becoming very common in our country. Dowry is a social evil performed in our society. It refers to the durable goods, cash, jewelry, property that the bride's family gives to the groom, his parents and his relatives as a condition of the marriage. It can put great financial burden on the bride's family. It causes stress and depression. It mainly affects to the girls. Governments should also take strict actions against the dowry system. 15th point is drug addiction. Drug addiction has become a serious problem all over the world. The number of teenagers and young people getting addicted to drugs is increasing day by day. The drug addicts become so dependent on drug that they cannot stop its use. It has a negative effect on our health. Physical effects of drug addiction include irregular heartbeat, respiratory problems, lung cancer, kidney damage, weakened immune system, etc. It is better to stay away from drugs. World No Tobacco Day is celebrated on 31st May every year. Now the conclusion of social issues. A society can successfully end social issues if they become adamant. These social issues act as a barrier to the progress of humanity. Thus, we must all come together to fight against them and put them to an end for the greater good. Most of the social problems still exist because people are ignorant of its consequences. The governments and NGOs must work together to eliminate all the social issues from society by educating the people through awareness programs. Government is taking many steps to reduce social issues. Thanks for watching.